Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, let's see how can you fix your Xumo box not turning on or working. So here's a complete guide for your power, boot loop and factory reset. Fix 1. Perform a cold hard power cycle. Unplug the power adapter cable directly from the back of your Xumo stream box. Unplug the power brick from your wall outlet or surge protector power strip. Leave the hardware completely disconnected from all electricity for at least 60 seconds. Plug the power cord back into the Xumo box first, then connect it directly to a wall socket. Fix 2. Breakout of a continuous boot loop. Locate the physical power or reset button on the back or bottom of your Xumo box hardware. Press and hold the button down continuously for exactly 15 seconds while the box is plugged in. Release the button while when you see the front LED indicator light flash or the Xumo logo appear on your TV screen. Allow the device 5 to 10 minutes to finish downloading any force corrupted firmware update. Fix freeze with your TV input and inspect your HDMI links. Grab your television's original remote control, not your Xumo remote. Press the input or source button on the TV remote to check your active video channels. Cycle through the channels until you match the exact HDMI port number where your Xumo wire is connected. Unplug the HDMI cable from both the ends. Clean out any dust and push it back in firmly to clear signal drop. Step 4. Trigger a complete factory reset. Note that a factory reset will erase your downloaded apps and logs you out of your accounts. So turn on the box, go to settings, that's the gear icon, select system management and then click on reset and update. Select factory reset and enter your account security PIN if prompted to wipe the device system memory. Alternatively, if your screen is completely black, hold the physical hardware reset button for 30 seconds to force formatting. Pitch 5. Clear and reset the voice remote connection. Take the back battery cover of your Xumo remote and remove both the batteries. Press and hold the remote's power button for 5 seconds to drain its internal residual power. Insert fresh batteries, point the remote at the box from 3 feet away and hold the 7 and 9 buttons down for 3 seconds. Press the center or the OK button once to pair the remote and wake the box out of its sleep lock. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.